What's up, YouTubers? It's your boy FlyBy, chilling, kicking it out here on a beautiful sunny day on the 2008 Yamaha R6. It's been a busy week, I will tell you. On a positive note, we got my man James back there. He's rolling on, I think it's a 2001 Aprilia 1000. The bike is awesome. It's nostalgic. I love it. I met the man like over maybe about a year ago. I met him at the local motorcycle helmet shop. I was shopping for a helmet because the one I bought, it was an Icon. It was really snug on my head. It seemed like the helmet was really skinny. I love the helmet, but it seemed like really skinny. It was hurting my head and giving me headaches. So I was there shopping for a new helmet, and James, he was looking for a helmet of his own, and it just so happened that he had just bought a bike, a really large bike, and didn't know how to ride, and I ended up selling him the Icon helmet I had, and he's still wearing it today, and he's back there. You can see the bike in the rearview mirror. I'm sure you'll be able to check out the bike here momentarily. We'll get him next to me so you can check out the bike. But anyhow, so he had no idea how to ride. There he is. He's going to pick the bike up one day, and he didn't know how to ride or use the clutch. So I invited him to come over and learn on the 2013 Triumph Street Triple, which I'm currently rebuilding in the garage. And James was a natural. He's a young kid. He picked up on it quick. He's very mechanically inclined. And he watched some videos beforehand, and he picked up how to ride. He did not wreck the bike that day. He was good. So yeah. He seems pretty confident in his riding ability. I like that. I haven't seen him in a good 8 months, and he just put some new pipes on the bike, and it sounds pretty good. I guess they are the Aprilia Performance pipes for that bike, so they just slipped right on, and it's already pre-tuned for her. So what's been going on in the FlyBy world is Jacob Man blew up the motor on the Triumph Street Triple, sheared off the drive shaft, flew the drive sprocket right through the engine case, totally catastrophic failuring the engine. And so we drove for 20 hours and we picked up a motor for the bike, and we are in the process of installing the motor. We took the old motor out, we prepped the new motor, which is used. It's got less miles, so that's a plus. And last night we had 3 people helping us lift the motor into place. We got it in. Today I started hooking it up, and I got invited on this little ride, so I took a break. And but the bike is almost there, so Jacob Man, you should be back on the road shortly. Oh, it's a beautiful day. It's a little warm while we're sitting at the light, but it's all good. We're gonna keep the drive moderate today. We're not gonna push a lot of heat because we don't want to. Okay, yeah, we are. I like it. Yeah, there we go. Never mind, we're not going to keep it moderate. The James Man is on it. Oh shit, I guess we're going left. Alright, we're going left. I want to take this moment to shout out to all the fans, all the viewers, all the subscribers, all the commentators and commentors. Appreciate you guys helping make the channel happen. And yeah. Yep. Really prefer to go that way. Oh well. We're going to figure it out. I want to turn on some music. Maybe we'll chill and ride and listen to some music. You guys can listen to me hum, because I'm not sure what I want to talk about per se. I suppose we could talk about some life things that are going on in the world of FlyBy. Oh, Jesus. Wow. to go here. And we're going straight. We're gonna go straight. This might be it. I'm not sure. I think we gotta go right more. I think we gotta go right more. I'm pretty sure. I think we're going right. Oh. Almost spilled on that turn. I got a little loose and slippery on it. Call that a low side or a high side, or I almost ended up on my side. That's all I know. But we made it happen. We made it happen. Boom. I really want to get some music. I hope I get a red light. Doesn't look like we're getting a red light. I'll wait for the James, man. We're gonna wait for him. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, it's nice in here. It feels good. It feels good. And we're gonna be rolling with no music. So, what's going on in the world of the FlyBy? Well, I've learned some lessons over the past couple weeks of trust. You know, who I extend trust to. I'll extend trust to a stranger. But once burned, I won't probably extend it again. You know, so I'll give any human, the good. I forgot what word I'm looking for. I can't remember what it is. It seems dusty here. I don't like the dusty road, so we're gonna chill. I'll extend myself into a vulnerable position with another human being one time. Maybe 2 times, depending on what the situation dictates it. But I also, I judge a situation and I practice prudence because, I'm not going to leave myself open and vulnerable to harm on multiple occasions. I ended up putting myself in a vulnerable position with some people, some friends, some old friends, and I don't like that. You should not be next to me. I got burned. I lost friends over my extending of trust. So like today, a friend asked me to borrow money, and I said, look, I'd really rather not, because I've had that come in to bite me in the ass and ruin friendship before. I like it. Cool. James is ready. See if we can wheelie this bridge. Whoa. I like his Aprilia. I like it a lot. So, I don't know. The moral of the story is I gotta, I'm learning to practice prudence in my affairs with human beings, because human beings are humans and they're not perfect. I'm not perfect. So, can I see other humans as human? I can. And can I keep myself safe and protected? I will try. So, with that being said, that's what it said. Oh, anyhow, I got a good whistle on my helmet. We're moving at a good speed. Something I don't like about this Shoei helmet is that it creates a significant whistle when I'm moving at 60 miles an hour. And I got the mask open. I like riding with the mask open. I prefer it. Makes out Jacob, man. You should have your bike up and rolling soon. I got it most of the way there today. I started plugging in all the little sensors and connectors and reinstalling the kickstand and the radiators and the exhaust and all the radiator hosing, and I had to remove the clutch cover plate one more time so I could get the clutch lever to grab the lever one good time, and that's done. Hey, how are you? But all in all, the bike is almost ready, and I know Jacob Man is eagerly awaiting his day to ride again. I know what it's like to not be able to ride. It was a couple months ago, and I broke a rim on the S1000, and I was sad. I was sad that I couldn't run her. And I was like, I got to get me a second bike, and I picked up the R6, the R Martin 6, and so the lesson that I learned is it's always wise to have a second bike if it's in your spending. This bike wasn't super expensive. It's old. It's a 2008, so I got her on a good deal. It needed some upkeep. So, but now I've pretty much got her running up to spec, and I have a second bike in the garage for if something may happen to the first one. Can't see. I know James ready for the pass, so we got it. Can't see, can't see, can't see, can't see, can't see. Nope. Fuck. Ah. See if we get James to take the lead again. Whoa, I'm in neutral. I don't like that. Shit. Fuck. Whoa. Got wobbly on that one. He's making it happen. I'm having fun. I like it. It's exciting. He's like, let's go. Oh. Oh. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Almost done with the bike. I'm excited about it. I've been like, I like quit at night and then I'll go inside, and then all I want to do is go work on it some more, man. It's like the funnest project I've ever done is do a whole motor swap on a bike. So it's been cool. It's been fun. Not even black light? I might have. I don't know. Well, that light looks really funny. It's not normally shaped. I got the jump on me. The R6 does not have any low end power. I gotta get up in them. Oh man. Holy shit. Gotta get up in them high RPM speed, push some horsepower. Seems like his brake light's on. It is on. Pushes some heat. I like it. There he goes with the brake lights on again. It's alright, it's alright. I can watch him. I can watch him. I gotta wash the grips on this thing really good. They're sticky and they leave all this black stuff on my hands. Kind of like if you were to wrap something with electrical tape and then the electrical tape ends up coming off and then it just gets all that black sticky stuff on your hand for years to come. That's what it feels like when I'm touching my handlebar grips. It's gotta be, maybe I can Google on them or something, or, oh yeah, I could. Yeah, right, 4th of July cookout here. Miserable time. I don't need a blinker. What am I doing? That was a good time. It was good to get out and do something, but I'm not a big holiday guy. All my family's dead. It's been like that for 15 years. I really don't celebrate holidays. My fans were requesting me to make a 4th of July ride video. I was not participating in that. I apologize. I get kind of down and sad on the holidays, and I just want to sit there and binge Netflix and not even go out. But I got invited to this cookout, and it was cool. Thanks for the invite. That's Dave Bond. You're a pimp, and thanks for helping put the engine in and whatnot yesterday. And man, when it comes to holidays, man, I just want to mope and chill and not really think about it being a holiday and everybody else out doing things with their family, you know. And it's just where I'm at in my life. And but you know, being familyless isn't a bad thing. It allows me the fearlessness to get out here and risk my life on a daily basis, act like an idiot, so I can bring you guys some good content and I can enjoy my life to the fullest because I have no worry or fear of the loss of self-damaging other people. Ain't nobody to worry that I don't have to provide for or anything, except for my employees. But I got my trusted man, Jacob. The business will go on. Oh, what happened? The business will go on. Starting to hop over on my seat on these turns a little bit. See if we can. Boom. I like it. Oh, yeah, that's pretty good. I like the change in weight distribution on this Kelvin. Nope, I ain't got it. Oh, this guy's running off the road trying to push some heat for us. We appreciate it. Nope, ain't got it, I don't like it. Nope, I was gonna do it, but can't see. Fell off the foot stickers, the feet pegs, the foot pegs, the foot peg, feet peg, foosball, no. Man, American Plaster and Drywall Specialist in Repair. My bike's running hot, 217 degrees. I know one man was asking me how hot my bike gets. It gets pretty hot. It cooks my leg when I'm just chilling. It'll get up to 226 for sure. I'm guessing maybe more. We can find out right meow, meow, meow. Fans are on though. I can hear the fans running. And we got a lot of traffic going on here. Oh man, come on. That's cooling down. We're good. Maybe 219 was where I was at, I think. All right. Oh. Blinker was on. Sometimes I get my blinker stuck. It happens. Pretty confident in James' riding ability, so that's good. That's good. I ride with some other people that I am so terrified they're going to wreck into my bike. So it's cool. Seems pretty good. Oh yeah, that's Aprilia brand exhaust. My carpal tunnel's acting up from the years of jewelry making, using pliers my whole life. There's a lot going on in that car. Oh, maybe I can get this music going here. Hi. Cool. Oh, cool. Oh, right now it is. Alright, so don't mind my singing or humming. It's going to happen while I'm listening to music. There we go. But I like there's a bit of things a bit real. Ow! I don't know who's texting me. Every time I turn my phone on the bike, somebody starts texting or calling. When you're lame, when you're lame, you're lame. Oh, this guy is really slow. Do we got the pass? Do we got the pass? Nope. Nope. Go. Oh, not making a pass here. Too many cars. There's the Nissan 370Z. It's a convertible. I was looking at a hardtop one the other day, yesterday I think, and it's a 6-speed manual, and I fell in love with it. And I'm really trying not to acquire it, but I really want it. I ended up selling my fun car to Jacob, man, and I miss her already, but it would be cool to have that, I would say. No. My wheelies are unpredictable today. They're really not smooth. Power band is really getting me. I like that guy. Cruising. Maybe I should get a 370. Maybe that's a sign. He's having fun with that car, huh? That's it. There you go. Boom, 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 boom. I've got to be a man. Rock your lady, bum bum. He's having fun. Love it. The small is the fun. Alright, this is the best I say with me, but doing, man? Oh, bring it on. Fucking back's killing me. Legs are cooking, man. I'm finally get this old dumping. Old dumping. Alright, it's FlyBy. We're signing off. I'm going to shut the camera off because I don't have nothing to talk about, and we're about to be to our destination. So thank you for viewing. Thank you for subscribing. If you're not a subscriber, feel free to click subscribe. Trying to get the gathering growing bigger, and appreciate you guys. Everybody ride safe. Love you guys. Later.